We manufacture our own holesaws, all of them. And we have 3 types of holesaws. The multi-construction holesaw is designed to cut through your wall. It cuts through anything except metal and stone, basically. So all types of wood, plastic and masonry. It has a 71mm cutting depth, large gullets and strong carbide teeth. The size in millimeter and inches is permanent laser marked to ensure that you always find the size you need. We have a range between 19 and 225 millimeters. The bimetal holesaw is designed to cut through all types of steel. So it cuts through ferrous metals like steel, stainless steel and cast iron, as well as non-ferrous metals like aluminium, brass and copper. You can cut wood and plastics also, but the small gullets make the cutting time consuming compared to the multi-construction holesaw. And you cannot cut in bricks or other masonries with this holesaw. But when cutting in metal, remember to use lubricant because it will extend your product's life. We have a range between 14 and 210 millimeters. The carbide holesaw with small gullets provides a fine surface finish. It cuts through abrasive materials like glass fiber, bricks and soft tiles. You can also cut wood with hard surface like laminate floors, for example. The range is between 14 and 152 millimeters. Visit Bahco.com for more information.